In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to your Hostinger VPS in under 5 minutes. Connecting to your VPS is a crucial step whether you're setting it up for personal use, hosting websites, or even running games. So, let's break it down step by step to make this process as seamless as possible. First, let's navigate to the Hostinger website. Hostinger offers a great platform for bringing your ideas online, whether it's creating a website, hosting applications, or managing a VPS. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, you'll want to log in. Just head to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the login button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you're a first-time user, remember you'll need to have preset your email and password when you registered. After you successfully log in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger dashboard. This is your control center, often referred to as hPanel on Hostinger. You're now on the home page where you can access various services and manage your account. This is your starting point for all things related to managing your hosting plans. Next, find the option for VPS on the dashboard and click on it. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server, and this is where you'll set up and configure your hosting environment tailored to your needs. Once there, you're likely to see a number of options designed to suit different purposes. You'll notice the option to build applications, host websites, or play games with VPS. Click on this option and it will guide you through the setup process tailored to your specific goals. Hostinger's VPS services are versatile, giving you the scalability and control usually associated with dedicated servers, but at a fraction of the cost. Now that you're in the VPS setup area, consider what you need your VPS for. If you're setting up a general purpose virtual server, go ahead and click on KVM VPS. If your primary focus is hosting games, then opt for the Game panel. This will optimize your VPS for hosting game servers, providing a streamlined experience for both setup and management. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're connected to your Hostinger VPS, ready to configure and utilize it for whatever purposes you have in mind. Remember, a VPS with Hostinger offers you a powerful, flexible solution for all your online needs. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting.